Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, May 19. $90 million from the Equalization Fund and the Municipal Corporations Fund will be used to construct a new municipal building in Portmore. At the contract signing on Thursday, Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie said the build will save the government approximately $7.8 million annually in rent.
One of the important ways of changing the face and increasing the effectiveness of local government is the establishment of modern municipal structures that facilitate improved service, delivery, and at the same time strikes a bold statement as a symbol of civic pride.
The work is expected to begin in June this year and completed in February 2019 by HDB Construction Limited. The new Portmore Municipal Building will be located in the vicinity of Brayton Parkway and Municipal Boulevard. It will feature 3 floors with elevator, ramp for wheelchair access, adequate parking, and landscaping. It will also feature solar and LED street lighting and water harvesting. The Ministry of Tourism's Linkages Network has launched the Jamaica Supplies Directory, an online platform that allows purchasing managers to search and locate manufacturers of their choice based on their individual needs. It can be used on various devices, including phones, tablets, laptops, and computers. The directory was launched during a recent meeting of the Tourism Linkages Council at the Ministry. Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett says the directory will boost efforts to increase consumption of locally produced goods and facilitate greater profits from the industry. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Dr. Wayne Henry, says the online platform has boosted the web presence of suppliers and manufacturers. The hybrid platform can be accessed at tourismlinkages.net via any internet-enabled Android, iOS, Windows operating system, or Linux device. Teams from the Rural Agricultural Development Authority are in the field conducting damage assessments from the recent heavy rains. Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, Carl Samuda, says he expects the loss to be extensive given the widespread damage to crops, livestock and infrastructure. He says major interventions will be needed from the ministry to help the sector return to production within the shortest time. That assistance will likely include access to seeds, seedlings and other inputs. In the meantime, Mr. Samuda says the ministry stands ready to maintain support and provide productivity incentives to farmers who continue to face risks through weather-related events as well as pests and diseases. This, he says, will be done through the Production Incentive Fund, which now stands at $200 million. The Urban Development Corporation, UDC, is calling for a behavior change to end improper garbage disposal in gullies. The call comes ahead of works to repair the low wall barriers or groins at the Montego Bay waterfront to prevent further beach erosion. General Manager of the UDC, Dr. Damian Graham, says the sustainability of the project will be strengthened by citizens' buy-in and commitment to protecting the beaches.
We need your support to change the behavior and ensure that we don't have garbage and other debris running into the harbor. It will erode the work that we've done.
The Montego Bay Waterfront Rehabilitation Project is now in its planning phase. And finally, there has been an overwhelming support for the National Labor Day projects as over 200 volunteers have already signed up to participate at the Ward Theatre, one of 2 national projects. The other is the Central Police Station. Acting Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Dr. Janice Lindsay, says they are encouraging even more persons to go out in their respective communities and be a part of the other Labor Day projects.
And I think there is no better time to do it than now, especially given what we have just experienced. There are so many communities that are battered. There are so many communities that really need help. And it really means mobilizing all hands to get us back to the place that we need to be for our communities to be in the shape that they need to be in.
Dr. Lindsay was speaking at a JIS think tank on Thursday. Pointing to the ministry's partnership with NEPA to plant 155,000 trees on Labor Day, she says seeds could be purchased from the Forestry Department. Free seeds are also available. The National Labor Day Church Service is this Sunday starting at 9 a.m. at the Portmore New Testament Church of God. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.